How to use a Visa gift card on Amazon for partial payment 2025 method. If you've ever tried to use a Visa gift card on Amazon, you know it can be trickier than it seems. Many people assume it works just like a regular debit or credit card, but Amazon's payment system requires a slightly different approach, especially if your purchase exceeds the balance on your gift card. Today, in 2025, we're walking you through the complete method to use a Visa gift card on Amazon for partial payments, step by step, so you never get stuck at checkout again. First, let's clarify why using a Visa gift card on Amazon can be confusing. A Visa gift card is essentially a prepaid card, meaning it has a fixed balance and functions like a debit card. Amazon's checkout system, however, is designed to charge a single card for the full amount of the purchase. If your gift card doesn't cover the total cost, the payment will fail unless you use a specific workaround. Understanding this is key to avoiding frustration and ensuring your order goes through smoothly. Step 1. Check your gift card balance. Before attempting to make a purchase, confirm exactly how much money is available on your Visa gift card. You can do this by visiting the card issuer's website or calling the customer service number on the back of the card. This step is essential because Amazon will attempt to charge the card first, and if the balance isn't sufficient, the transaction will be declined. Knowing your balance upfront helps you plan the partial payment correctly. Step 2. Log into your Amazon account. Make sure your shipping address and account details are up to date. This is important because the billing information you enter for your Visa gift card must match the address on file, or Amazon may reject the payment. Unlike a standard credit card, Visa gift cards sometimes require an address verification step. Enter the cardholder's name exactly as it appears on the card, and provide the correct billing ZIP code. This reduces the risk of Amazon flagging your payment as invalid. Step 3. Begin the checkout process. Add the items you wish to purchase to your cart and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payments section, you'll notice that Amazon typically requires one primary payment method. If your Visa gift card does not cover the total, you'll need to select an Amazon gift card balance or another credit or debit card as a backup. Here's the critical part. Amazon allows you to split payments between an Amazon gift card balance and a credit or debit card, but not directly between multiple credit or debit cards. Therefore, to use a Visa gift card partially, you must first add funds to your Amazon account. Step 4. Add your Visa gift card as a payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as they appear on the card. Make sure the billing address is correct, as we mentioned earlier. Once added, you'll be able to see it as a payment option, but remember it can only be used for the amount available on the card. If your purchase exceeds this balance, Amazon will not automatically split the payment with another card unless you take the next step. Step 5. Transfer your Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. This is the workaround that most people miss. Amazon allows you to redeem prepaid cards and add the funds to your Amazon gift card balance. To do this, go to your gift card section on Amazon, choose Reload Your Balance, and enter your Visa gift card information. The balance will be added to your Amazon account, effectively converting your prepaid card into an Amazon gift card balance. This process usually takes a few minutes, but in rare cases, it can take up to 24 hours for the funds to appear. Step 6. Complete your purchase using the Amazon gift card balance. Once the balance from your Visa gift card is added to your Amazon account, proceed to checkout again. Select your Amazon gift card balance as the payment method. If the balance covers only part of your purchase, Amazon will automatically prompt you to choose a backup payment method for the remaining amount. This allows you to use the full value of your Visa gift card while seamlessly paying the rest with another card, debit account, or Amazon gift card balance. Step 7. Verify the payment. Before finalizing the order, double-check that the amounts are applied correctly. Your Visa gift card balance should appear as an Amazon gift card balance used for the payment, and the remainder should be charged to your backup card. Confirm the shipping details and click Place Your Order. Amazon will send you an email confirmation, and your order will be processed as usual. A few tips to make this method easier and avoid common mistakes. First, always check your Visa gift card for any fees or restrictions. Some cards charge a small monthly maintenance fee, which can reduce your available balance if left unused. Second, ensure the name and address match exactly during the transfer process to Amazon, as discrepancies can cause the funds to be rejected. Third, consider splitting your purchase into smaller orders if the balance is low or if you want to manage spending across multiple gift cards. Let's go over a practical example. Suppose your Visa gift card has $50 and you want to buy a product priced at $120. You would first check your $50 balance, Then add this card to your Amazon account. Next, transfer the $50 to your Amazon gift card balance. During checkout, select the $50 gift card balance, and Amazon will automatically prompt you to choose another card for the remaining $70. This ensures that your purchase is completed without any declined transactions and that you maximize the use of your Visa gift card. Another key point: partial payments using Visa gift cards are best suited for one-time purchases. Frequent use can become cumbersome if you have multiple cards or small balances to manage. In these cases, consolidating your prepaid cards into your Amazon balance or using a single backup payment method simplifies the process. Security is also a major advantage. When you transfer your Visa gift card balance to Amazon, you're essentially limiting exposure. If your order is disrupted or the card is lost, your Amazon gift card balance is stored securely in your account, reducing the risk of theft or misuse compared to leaving funds on a physical prepaid card. In conclusion, using a Visa gift card on Amazon for partial payment in 2025 is straightforward once you understand the steps. Always check your balance first. Add the card to your account with accurate billing information. Transfer the funds to Amazon gift card balance, and use a backup payment method for any remaining amount. Following this method ensures your transaction goes smoothly, maximizes your prepaid card funds, and avoids the frustration of declined orders. By mastering this process, you can confidently use Visa gift cards on Amazon for both small and larger purchases, making your shopping experience seamless and stress-free.